on analytical accounting in Odoo. Why use analytical accounting? Using analytical accounting feature of Odoo allows you to keep your chart of accounts short. For example, we could have a chart of accounts which is having just one account to record all the cost of goods sold, and we could have just one account for the revenue or the sales account. Let's say the company is dealing in services or even projects. We can keep the same simple chart of accounts, while we can use the analytical feature of Odoo to get a in-depth analysis of the different products, services or projects sold by the company. So let's see how that works. Let's, for example, in this company that we are using, we have multiple projects. We have set up multiple projects across different regions, and we set up analytical accounting so that you could have several projects, and each of the projects could be carried out in different locations, but it would all report back into the same chart of accounts. So let's look at how we can classify these. For example, you could have two projects under the UAE, one project under, for example, Bahrain, and we could further group this by analytical financial accounts. You can see that when I expand this, you can see that the same chart of accounts, cost of goods sold, sale account is used in the projects that are carried out in Bahrain as well as the UAE. If I were to drill down into the actual cost of sale, I could go in from this level, and we could actually go down to the journal entry to explain how it works in Odoo. So this is an invoice which has come from a supplier who's been used against this project. So what we do is, while recording this invoice from the vendor, we would mention the analytical account to which it should be reported, against which it should be reported. So if you look at here, it's reported against the Bahrain project. Now, if we go back and look at the revenue account, again, when you're raising an invoice to your customer, we could use the same analytical code and record it against the Bahrain agency. Likewise, if you look at the sales account of a Dubai project, again, we could put the analytical code against the Dubai project. This way, you would be able to use the same chart of accounts while analyzing your business in different ways. So going to reporting again, at the top level, let's say you want to analyze your P&L, again on analytical accounting. The similar concept can work. We could go down to check, for example, all the P&L by Bahrain, and you can see that you can get a breakdown of the P&L, cost and revenues of the Bahrain projects, and you can drill down from the top level. You could also look at, for example, the balance sheet accounts, and you could choose the group against analytical account against which you want to analyze your balance sheet, and you can see that we can kind of drill down from this to the details on your general ledger. So both for reporting purpose as well as for better, smarter chart of accounts, you could use the analytical feature of Odoo. So that's what we have to say in this video. So thank you for watching.